Here is how to split screen on your PC. There are multiple ways to do this. So the first method to split your screen is to click and hold on that particular tab that you want to split, and then you move it to the side where you want to have it split until it displays like this, and then you leave it. Now you now have to select the next one that is going to display side by side to it. I can select this folder right here. Now you can see they are displaying side by side, and if this is okay for you, good to go. But if you do not like doing stuff like moving your mouse like this, you can actually have a shortcut to do it for you. Now the shortcut that you need for that is your Windows key and your left or right hand key. If you do not have that on the keyboard, please use the previous method. But then if that doesn't work on most laptop, you need to hold your desktop and then your shift key and then the side. Desktop, shift, and then side. You notice it went side, and then I can do right, left, anyone, and if you do left, you do left again, like multiple times. It reduces and increases to the exact size. Now let's do that for this one also, so that you see it actually works that way, right? But this is actually going to give you an option for you to select the next one, so you can see it works that way. Now another thing you can also do with the same shortcut, desktop key, and you can press down. You notice it went down, and then you select this one, desktop key, up, and then you select the up key, and then you notice it's now displaying three ways: bottom, top, and then left. So you can also put more if you do want more to be right there. Hold on, guys. Right, and then bottom. I did bottom and it's not displaying. Let me do that again. Bring it up, do bottom again. It disappeared instead of I think it cannot go up to 4 different screen. But let me see if I can actually move that manually. Let me try this, although I have never tried that before, but let me see if it's going to be able to fit in. This usually don't work, but I just want to try and see if it's going to clip. So let's say like that, and then maybe this other one close. I think I have this open. It doesn't always work that way anyway. So but we can still have something like this, and this is just a manual way. It does not fit perfectly, but yeah, this could work. So this is just how to fit your screen, making use of different options. And also anytime you can always click this to maximize it and fit it back in, maximize, fit it back in. You can always do that. And also the same thing right here, fit it back in. But then because I actually used a keyboard for this, so I would actually have to do top, left, top. And I think whenever it has two already active, it is no longer going to topple that. You see, once you have something already there, it will no longer topple it. It's just going to put it, slap it on one particular edge. All right, guys, I am just playing with this at this moment. I am just playing with it, so see what we actually get. Okay, not bad. But then let me see, I have another tab. Let me see if I can get that to fit. Left top. It refused to go left top, but it can go left bottom. I am trying to see if I will be able to get it to go left bottom, but it seems it cannot go left bottom, but then it can go right bottom. just because I have another one floating on the top. So that is actually how it works. It can only work like two this way. Once you already have two this way, it can only work that way, and then the next one is just going to be right there for you. So that is actually how the minimize works. It doesn't actually work like have everything fitted perfectly in Foursquare. So even though I want to have another one fit on that top, I will have to do it manually. So you cannot have 4 split screen like fitted perfectly for you, but you can do the last one manually, right? Just like so. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smash like, and I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.